Hi, I'm Lucy Ellis, Senior Editor of Scrip, and I'm here at Bio-Europe Spring in Amsterdam. I'm joined by Roel Schaapveld, the CEO of InteRNA. So thanks for joining me today.
Yeah.
So just to start off, could you talk a bit about the technology and the platform and where it comes from?
Yeah, we are a spin-off from the Ubrecht Institute in Utrecht, and we took a different approach in screening for microRNA drug candidates using a platform that allowed for high-throughput functional screening and cell-based assays with a focus on cancer.
And founded 2006, so you've been around for a few years now.
Yeah, so it's founded in 2006, but we became only operational in 2008 when I joined the company.
Okay, and what are the pipeline highlights then? What would you pull out for us?
So the preclinical pipeline that we established on the back of our platform now is basically several microRNA drug candidates, each with a different mode of action. And we are now pushing forward our lead development candidate. Has potential in several cancer indications. It has a great mode of action, among which also immune system activation.
And when are we seeing some milestones coming up there then? What's next?
Yeah, so this year we are embarking on IND toxicity studies in 2 species. Early next year we will manufacture the GMP batch to allow for our first clinical trial in the second half of next year.
And you're at Bio-Europe Spring then, so do you have some current partners or are you looking for partners now?
Now basically we would like to bring this lead candidate ourselves initially to proof concept in the clinic. So we are mainly in fundraising now, talking to VCs here at Bio-Europe. I have to say that next to our oncology programs, we also kept a CNS program alongside, showing that our platform also could work outside oncology. So in CNS, we have also 2 proof concepts in vivo in models for optic nerve injury and epilepsy. And those we see as potential early stage partnering for non-dilutive funding.
Okay, and what kind of feedback are you getting then when you're approaching investors and funding situations?
Well, we are very happy to see the positive feedback that we get on our data, proof of concept data of our lead candidate. Our immuno-onc data really are intriguing and to some people even spectacular. So we are happy with the traction that we receive and we have good hopes that we can close that funding before the summer.
And your key area then is immuno-oncology and oncology space, which is a busy, competitive area. So what makes you stand out?
Yeah, so we are not going to chase for another combination with anti-PD-1. We see monotherapy potential in this lead candidate. What we can trigger with this compound is that we do not only make tumors from cold to hot by attracting CD8 positive T effector cells, but nicely in parallel we can also downregulate the immunosuppressive T regulatory cells. And that feature we think is really key to make an immunosuppressive microenvironment into an immunocompetent environment for the tumor. And next to that, we see that we can regulate new targets in immuno-oncology like CD73 and TIM3.
And that's quite a different approach to what we're hearing from a lot of emerging companies in the immuno-oncology space. So what would be the challenges for going for the monotherapy?
And well, you know, in RNA therapeutics, of course, it's drug delivery, which is this challenge. We feel that we have addressed that challenge via our proof concept data. Of course, our tox studies will have to show that we are indeed safe. So far, we do not have any warning signals from all the assays that we've done aimed to identify potential tox. So we feel fairly confident that the efficacy that we see is specific and that this can be a new modality in the clinic, hopefully being tested as of next year.
And you said you're looking for investors now, so what's your cash position and when's the next?
We still have a runway and I also have a committed investor base. Founding investor is still part of the investor base and they actually can contribute a significant part in the Series B that we are aiming for. So we are doing well on that part.
Great. So what are the key goals then for 2018, but also long-term vision? Where do you want to be?
Yeah, so for 2018 it's really the initiation of the IND tox studies in 2 species, rodent and monkey. And then next year start of the phase 1A trial that should be pushed forward into extension cohorts phase 1b, and then reach clinical proof of concept by the end of 2020.
We'll watch this and see what happens.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, thanks for speaking to us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.